Welcome to BMAC Math Tutorial. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for freshly brewed content. Hi, this is a question from Assam CSI Net 2019 Part B. We are given a real polynomial ft t to the power n plus an minus 1 t to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a1 t plus a naught, where all the coefficients a naught, a1 dot 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 an minus 1 are real and also a naught is strictly less than 0. Our given options are: f need not have a real root. Number 2, f has at least 2 distinct real roots. Number 3, f has at least 2 real roots but they did not be distinct. And number 4, f can have at most 1 real root. So first of all, consider the polynomial ft, which is t to the power n plus an minus 1 t n minus 1 plus dot 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 a1 t plus a naught. Let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n be all the roots of f. They may be real, they may be complex. And we know that the sum of the roots of f is always equals to minus 1 an minus 1. Similarly, the sum of all the multiplication of roots taken 2 at a time is equals to minus 1 to the power 2 an minus 2, which is equals to an minus 2. And similarly, the sum of the multiplication of roots taken 3 at a time is equals to minus 1 to the power 3 an minus 3, which is equals to minus an minus 3, and so on. And finally, we get alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n, that is the multiplication of all the roots of f is equals to minus 1 to the power a naught. And since n is an even number, so alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n is equals to a naught. Now, consider the complex roots of f. Since f is a real polynomial, so the complex roots of f always occur in conjugate pairs. That is, if x naught plus I y naught is a root of f, then obviously x naught minus y naught also has to be a root of f. And their multiplication will give us x naught square plus y naught square, which is a positive number. And so we can conclude that the multiplication of all the complex roots of f will contribute a positive number to the multiplication of all the roots of f, which is a naught. So finally, since f is an even ordered polynomial, so f can have n number of roots, which is an even number, and so f can have even number of roots. And since the complex roots of f occur in conjugate pairs, so f can have even number of complex roots and even number of real roots. Now, if all the roots of f are complex, then the multiplication of all the complex conjugate pairs of f are positive, and thus the multiplication of all the roots of f, which is a naught, is also positive, and which is a contradiction since we have a naught is less than 0. So all the roots of f can't be complex, and since f has even number of real roots, so f has to have at least 2 real roots. Let alpha 1, alpha 2 be 2 real roots and all the other roots of f are complex. And let alpha 1 is equals to alpha 2. Then the multiplication of alpha 1 and alpha 2 is greater than 0, and hence the multiplication of all the roots of f is positive, since all the other roots of f are complex, and alpha 1, alpha 2 being the only real roots of f whose multiplication is also positive, so we will have a naught greater than 0, which is again a contradiction. Thus, alpha 1 and alpha 2 cannot be equal. In fact, they has to have positive signs. They has to have opposite signs. Let us summarize what we have discussed so far. F can't have all the roots complex. Second, f has at least 2 real roots. And third, the two real roots of f must be distinct and of course of opposite signs. Now let us come back to the question. F is a polynomial as given. First option says f need not have a real root, which can't be possible as we have seen that f has at least two real roots. So 1 is not correct. Number 2, f has at least two distinct real roots, which is true as we have seen from our previous discussions, and they has to be of opposite signs and thus they can't be equal, and this this cancels our third and fourth options, and finally option 2 is our only correct option. Thank you for watching.